नमस्ते। गर्व से कहो हम हिंदू है। My name is Madhukar Vasudev Gore. I am living in Kerala, Calicut. I had made 4 or 5 videos in Malayalam about Sanatana Dharma and how to protect it. So some people who do not follow Malayalam, they asked me to make a video in English. That's why I am attempting this. I don't know how far I will be successful. Anyhow, I will try. So, गर्व से कहो हम हिंदू है. Why should we be proud of our Hinduism? Hinduism is not a religion. It is Sanatana Dharma, which is our culture, tradition, way of living, anything but a religion. Mainly it is because it is purely Indian. We must be proud about anything Indian. For a recorded history of 60,000 years is available in India about our civilization and this Sanatana Dharma. Our history, real history, not what is taught in our schools and colleges. So, that is the first thing about which we have to be proud of. We don't have to ask for permission or instruction from the Arabs or the Romans how to pray, which God to pray, whether to pray or not, timing of the prayer, language of the prayers, nothing. We have full freedom to decide whether to pray or not, whether to believe in one God or 10 gods or 100 gods, whether we have to worship idols or not. We have the full freedom. That's why we should be proud. Not only that, what is wrong in idol worship? What is wrong if we pray to many gods? The worshippers of one God, are they any better in any way than us, the Muslims and the Christians and anybody else who is different from us? Are they any better? All kinds of crimes are committed by Muslims and Christians like Hindus. There are drug addicts, drunkards, rapists, killers, all types of, you name it. And also they face all the troubles and tensions in the world, family problems, diseases, accidents. They also die of cancer and such things. You go to any hospital, you can see, I think, majority Muslims. What I am saying is, it is not their fault. I am just saying, just because they worship one God and they don't worship idols, there is nothing special. The universe has not provided them with anything special. Whereas, because they worship only one God, they are very intolerant, not secular. Those people who follow the religions which came from outside recently, 1500, 1800 years ago, they are teaching us about tolerance, about secularism. Mark my words, Hindus are the only people in the world who are tolerant and secular, because our religion is inclusive. We don't scorn others. We don't market our way of life or Sanatana Dharma. It has evolved. Many people have come into that. Those who find it good, They have adopted it. It is like thousands and thousands of years. Whereas these two religions, nobody will voluntarily, very few will go voluntarily into those religions. You have to coax them into that, either by force, the sword and AK-47 and all those things, or by deceit, by making the non-Christians and non-Muslims ashamed of their culture, especially Hindus, because we are not an organized religion, we are not taught about the Sanatana Dharma. The moment they say you are idol worshippers and worshippers of many gods, we find ourselves helpless. What is there to be helpless? You ask them, in what way are you better? Why should we be attracted into your religion, and why should we reject our way of life, our gods? There is no rule that there should be only one God. If religions were made by God, every human being would have be a member of that religion. If Christianity was made by God, everybody will be Christians. If Islam was made by God, every human being will be a Muslim. It is not like that. Is it that God has created, first He created Christianity. He could not convert the whole of the human being. So He gave that responsibility to a few people, the Pope and the Church, and they failed. They could not make the whole world Christian. So God thought, I will make Islam. Then also He could not make the entire humanity Muslims. So He gave that responsibility to somebody else. Only that much power is there. Now in 2050, the aim is to make India a Muslim country. So this video is only an eye-opener. I will make more videos. I don't want to make lengthy videos. So the first thing is, be proud. Don't allow anybody to scorn our gurus, sannyasis, and history. We are taught the history of the Mughals who conquered us. What about Chandragupta Maurya? What about the Guptas, the Cheras, the Cholas, the Pandyas? We do not know anything. So first and foremost, be alert and aggressive. Don't leave your heritage. Thank you for the time being. गर्व से कहो हम हिंदू है.